How to assign a barcode to your ABM CNC Quilter frame. First, make sure you have a barcode affixed to the frame. If you're on the main screen, hit the unlock button in the upper right hand corner to take you to the technicians menu. It will ask you for a password. Enter your password. Hit the OK button on the bottom right hand corner after you entered your password. When you get to the technicians menu, make sure you touch the tab in the upper left hand corner that says setup. That will take you to the screen with the frames. Highlight the frame that you want to assign the barcode to. This lights up a button on the right hand side that says settings. Press the settings button. And now it takes you to the screen to assign the barcode. It will show you a picture of the frame, give you the name of the frame, and then you have a blank space for the barcode, and next to that blank space you have a button that says scan barcode. Press the scan barcode button. That turns on your barcode reader. Very carefully maneuver the frame and barcode underneath the scanner. You hear a beep. That has now assigned that barcode to this frame, and you can press the back button. If that barcode has been used on another frame, the machine will prompt you that has been used on another frame. You can accept to use it for this frame, or you can cancel and make another barcode.